Hi guys, welcome to another week of Advanced Portfolio. My beautiful, my wonderful, my amazing online students. Here we go. So this week we should have 5 new sketch prompts, an artist spotlight, and by now you should have 2 general sketch pages, 1 visual journal page, and an artist spotlight done, 2 by Friday. And then you are going to continue mastering art skills. This week we're just going to be continuing what we did last week with our abstract country. This week is the last week of Inktober. Aww. Congratulations if you managed to keep up with it. I know it got really crazy and hectic for me, and I know I'm gonna be a little bit behind, so I've really got to push through. Artist Spotlight. Here is an Artist Spotlight page for those who are new to online portfolio. Congratulations, welcome to the club. And this week we're continuing our project from last week. So if you don't know what this is, I want you to stop the video, don't even watch it. Go back to week 8 in the slideshow and in the video and just soak it up there. All right, so go to week 8 if you don't know what this is. If you do know what this is, Monday through Friday, we're working on our abstract country piece. And I've included 2 visual examples, one for Greece and one for Japan over here, just students who had a lot of fun with this project and added in as many things per the culture as possible. And so really make sure you look into that. And okay guys, that's it for the week. If you get bored through the week, Thursday and Friday we have a haunted house over at campus, and it's just in the auditorium, so it's a small event, but it's really fun, and a lot of artists got to work on it. And we also have fresh cotton candy with over 20 flavors, so I really invite you guys to come on out. But other than that, I'll see you later guys. Have a nice day. Oh, and of course, happy Halloween.